All right, so I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect ghost image regardless of what color you want. This is the original photo, and then I created this cream version and the white version. The strategy that I'm going to show with you is we will be using two filters. Otherwise, if you use one filter only, it will end up having this super dry ghost image. As much as possible, we want it to be brighter, regardless of what color it is. So I already done this, so we're gonna use this as an example. So first is obviously we need to remove the other color, like keep it the cloth itself. So I'm going to use a pen tool for now. I'm gonna cut this over and then we'll do the cleaning later. So we'll use this one, pen tool. We'll fast forward this. And for the ghost image, I also prefer to remove the extra lining, especially the inside fabric. So I won't gonna include that and just straightly jump in here. Okay, so I'm already done. I'm gonna remove the background, select it, and then remove the background. So Control Z. We have this already. So once the background is already removed, we can then create a mask by using a magic wand. Select the item, and then obviously it's selecting the background, so we want to use a select inverse and then click on this one here, which is and then click the add layer mask. You see in here, this is something that we want. Okay, so this is what we want. The item itself is color white, and then the background is color black. So the mask is already created. Now we will move that in the folder filter, and then we will create a filter called hue and saturation in here. So it should be inside the folder, so it should have that kind of hierarchy. So we have that, and then you need to click on this thing in here, this pencil, and we need to select the color. And then if you try to something like do like this, you'll see that there is already like we can then make changes to to the selected item. Now, the tricky part is what if we want this to turn into white? Okay. Unfortunately, the hue and saturation filter is not enough. We need to use a curve to balance the light and the darkness of our cloth. So I'm gonna add more saturation, more filter in here. Click that and use curve. And then here, for the hue and saturation, I will move that over there and then move it the saturation here. So we already have this grayish thing which is close to white, like that. So I think we can do this one. We can just put it in here, and then click on the curve, and then we will adjust a little bit the whiteness of our cloth, so like that. And we already have this white vibe look. Now, as you notice, the buttons turn into pearl, and obviously it is a gold plated. So all you need to, so now, as you notice, the button also turns into pearl, and we don't want that. We don't want to provide, an accurate photo. So that's an easy fix. You just need to zoom that in and then use this eraser tool. And then I love to use a soft round if it's just a simple like cleaning thing. So we can have that there. Oh, so like that. And then I only use a eraser tool. But okay, so this is how it looks right now, but like it's still not, for me, it's still not natural. So we can adjust a little bit the hue in there. This one. So I think this one is great. And then I will adjust this. This is the lighter side of a curve, and this is the dark. This is the darker side of the curve. This is the lighter, so we can do something like that. Oh, so you just need to adjust it really, and then once you get the sweet part, you should be good to go. And now, if you see something like edges in here, like if you notice there's something like a pink lining, to remove that, you just need to select again the mask and then add a, just paint it a little bit to remove the edges, the like the lining in there. Just need to refine that using the paint, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you can do that. And again, so we already have a cleaner look, and obviously if you want to make more, so if you want to, and obviously if you want it to look more, and obviously if you want to clean this, then you can always, now if you have something mistake, if you've done some mistake in here using the eraser tool, you can always come back with a white, you can always come back with a, you can always come back with a, a paint one, because we're just using, we're just removing something in the mask. So yeah, so let's say I want to remove the other excess thing in here because it's changing again to its original color. Use the paint and it should go back. Oh, should go back to normal. I always want to use a soft brush to have that natural look. So that, 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 and yeah, we should be good to go.